Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to add mods to the Binding of Isaac Rebirth or Repentance or any other version. Now first, make sure that you have DLCs bought. So you want to right click on the game, open Steam, go to your library, find the game, click Properties. Now go to DLC and make sure that you have Afterbirth and Repentance added to your installed files. These are the DLCs you have to buy. After you check if you have the right version, now you want to click on the Binding of Isaac ones. Now go to Workshop, and now you can select which mods you want. You can sort them by most subscribed, most popular, latest, etc. And you simply click which one you want, click on it, and now you'll click subscribe, and it will be added to your games and it will immediately download it. Now you want to go to the library and launch the game. As you can see, it's Repentance Plus. Now you want to go to File 1. And now you want to press Tab. And now you can select which mod you want. And to turn off or to disable the mods, you want to press Tab again, and they're grayed out, not working. And if you press Tab, they will be enabled, and now you simply start the game, and that's about it. And that's it for this video. That's how you add the mods in the Binding of Isaac Rebirth, Repentance, or Afterbirth. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.